Welcome everyone to this session on programs in Asia and Oceania. This session is geared towards students who are looking to apply for spring 2022 programs and beyond, as well as students who are just starting to think about study abroad and would like to get more information about the programs we offer. We will begin with a 20-minute presentation to discuss common questions and things to consider as you choose a program, as well as a brief introduction to all the locations where we offer programs in Asia and Oceania. Then, all UCAP staff will move into separate breakout rooms divided by country. Please note that some breakout rooms will be covering more than one country. There will be a PowerPoint running on a loop in each room highlighting the programs at that location. You can choose which breakout rooms you want to visit to learn more about the programs and to ask questions. You are welcome to move between rooms and spend as much or as little time in each room as you choose. Additionally, a UCEAP finance accountant will have their own breakout room, so if you have any finance questions, you can visit that room to talk to them.
We know that COVID-19 is on all of your minds, so we want to address that right now. Most spring 2022 programs are scheduled to run at this time, and we are currently accepting applications, so be sure to check with your Campus Study Abroad office for deadlines. We've included a link on this slide where you can find more information about COVID-19 and our spring programs. UCEAP's Health, Safety, and Emergency Response Team continues to monitor the impact of the virus and its variants worldwide, and we will inform program applicants and participants as soon as possible of any updates regarding their programs. If you're planning to apply for an upcoming program, due to the current fluidity of the pandemic and worldwide travel regulations, UCEAP recommends that you have a backup plan in place should your program be canceled. We are hopeful that this won't have to be the case for long as worldwide vaccination rollout continues. Let's highlight the benefits of studying abroad through UCEAP, the official study abroad provider for the entire UC system. Our programs are designed specifically for UC students. With programs in over 40 countries, you will find the perfect study abroad program to suit your needs. While on UCEAP, you remain enrolled in your UC campus, which means you do not need to take a leave of absence during your study abroad program, and your UC financial aid goes with you. Additionally, you are guaranteed that all the courses you take abroad will receive UC credit.
In this section, we'd like to dispel some frequent misconceptions about study abroad. We'll also provide you with information to help you consider which program is the best fit for you. Myth number 1, you need to know a foreign language to study abroad. The fact is, you can take courses in English on most UCEAP programs all over the globe, and many have no foreign language prerequisite. Go to the website to check out the Taught in and Language Prereq section on the program pages for more information. Myth number 2, programs have limited capacity and are difficult to get into. The fact is that most of our programs have plenty of capacity, and as long as you meet the eligibility requirements, you will be able to participate on the program. Check out the Dates and Eligibility tab on the program pages for more information about each program's eligibility requirements, and check with your Campus Study Abroad office for the application deadline. The breakout rooms following this presentation will include information on program capacity. Myth number 3, you can only study language, history, literature, or similar topics while abroad. The fact is, we offer programs in a wide range of subjects and majors, from programs in the sciences and engineering, to film and studio art, business and economics, and everything in between. No matter the subject, we will help you find a program abroad to suit your needs. Reach out to your UC Campus Study Abroad advisor to discuss program options. And myth number 4, you must take courses in your major while abroad. The fact is, while there are many options for taking courses in your major while abroad, this is not a requirement for many of our study abroad programs. You can find programs to meet your specific needs and interests, whether you want to take courses in your major or minor, take courses to fulfill GE or breadth requirements, or you want to try something new. Each program webpage has an academic section that includes information about courses.
UCAP has several types of programs available for you to consider. When choosing a program, think about your priorities and what you hope to accomplish while abroad. Please note that some of our programs may fall under more than one of these experience types. On an immersion program, you will be in class with local students and select courses from host university departments. With an international program, you will choose classes from a list designed for study abroad students. You'll learn alongside other international students and make friends from all over the world. With UC curriculum programs, you choose courses from a short, custom menu designed for University of California, while also meeting students from around the UC system. Major and themed programs focus on specific topic or area of study. It gives you in-depth knowledge on a topic such as business, psychology, public health, or sustainability. Language programs offer the opportunity for you to concentrate on learning the language and culture of your host country. Multi-site is just like it sounds. You will visit and study in 2 or more locations and explore the unique perspectives in each site. Our research and internship programs provide you with hands-on experience that can be applied to your academic and career goals. While research and internships are built-in component of some of these experience types, they are optional components of many of our other programs.
We're now going to briefly highlight the countries where you can study abroad in Asia and Oceania. If any locations interest you, visit those country breakout rooms at the end of this presentation to learn more about the programs we offer.
Within China's dynamic cities, incredible landscapes, and delicious cuisine, you can broaden your understanding of China's rapidly changing society and growing global economy. Because of all that China has to offer, UCEAP offers programs in both Beijing and Shanghai. See world-renowned cultural sites like the Great Wall of China, the Forbidden City, and Tiananmen Square.
Hong Kong, with its neon lights and delicious dim sum, is one of the most dynamic cities in Asia and a favorite study abroad location for UCEAP students. With its unique history and its status as an international hub, Hong Kong can be considered a perfect example of East meets West for anyone looking to become a global citizen.
India is a country in South Asia containing roughly 1/6 of the world's total population. It is the second most populous country, the 7th largest country by land area, and the most populous democracy in the world. The program brings students from all over the world each summer in New Delhi, the nation's largest city and capital, and includes 2 weeks in rural Rajasthan for a fieldwork service learning component.
Whether you choose to study in Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto, Yokohama, or Sendai, the island nation of Japan features bustling cities, imperial palaces, shrines, and mountainous national parks. Travel easily within Japan's main islands to all major cities, beaches, skiing, and popular sightseeing destinations. Programs in Japan accommodate all majors and personal interests.
South Korea is a buzzing powerhouse and the 3rd largest in Asia's economy. Seoul has vibrant offerings, from celebrated museums and festivals to delicious street food. Witness South-North Korean relations firsthand and travel to the demilitarized zone, Jeju Island, or Busan. While there, experience Korea's lively pop culture that lights up like dynamite.
Singapore is a contemporary, multicultural city-state with a reputation for being one of the safest countries in the world and whose popularity has been increasing with the recent success of the movie Crazy Rich Asians. Chinese, Malay, Indian, and English influences are reflected in various aspects of everyday life. If you are interested in Asia but are a bit nervous about diving in head first, Singapore is a perfect starter destination. From modern city skyscrapers to lush landscapes found around the island, Taiwan has a lot to offer. While there, you can visit the bustling night markets to sample local delicacies, observe the latest fashion trends in the Ximending shopping district, Go for a hike at a national park and then have a relaxing soak in one of Taiwan's popular hot springs. Known as the Land of Smiles, Thailand, with its vibrant culture and traditional charm, has long been a popular destination for travelers. It's also one of UCEAP's most affordable locations, where you can rent your own room for a fraction of what you pay here in California and enjoy a delicious meal for only $1 or $2.
The land down under is known for its beautiful scenery, diverse wildlife, and laid-back culture. UCEAP has programs in Melbourne, Sydney, Canberra, and Brisbane, where you can study physics over the summer, take courses in your major alongside local Australians during the year, or participate with other UC students in a fascinating marine biology and human terrestrial ecology program. Outside its popular cities of Sydney and Melbourne, venture into tropical rainforest, the Outback's Red Desert, or the Great Barrier Reef. Study the environment and sustainability, or take a different path in physics, global security, or an internship. The nation's capital, Canberra, has all the attractions of a major city in a smaller area where you can also enjoy hiking, skiing, and cycling. In any city, you are sure to gain a new perspective on Aboriginal society and the Asia Pacific region. The multi-island country of New Zealand, located along the famous Pacific Ring of Fire, is the perfect destination for students interested in laid-back culture that offers diverse perspectives on the Indigenous Maori people and avid outdoor types. Geography majors study here to broaden their understanding of New Zealand's geographic history and how it compares to California. You'll be sure to receive a warm welcome from the friendly Kiwis when you join a student club, volunteer, or intern. Whether you choose to live in Auckland, Wellington, the beaches of Tauranga, or the country's South Island, an adventure awaits you in New Zealand.
We hope this presentation has provided you with a starting point on your study abroad journey and encourage you to explore the UCEAP website for detailed information about program options, finances, health and safety, and more. You should also contact your UC Campus Study Abroad office for information on application steps and deadlines. Once you have determined which program you're going to apply to, you can start an application by selecting the Apply Now button on the UCEAP website. You can contact the system-wide office for more information. The general email is on this slide. We also offer office hours where you can schedule an appointment to have a video call with an advisor at the system-wide office. The link to make an appointment is in the chat. Thank you for attending this presentation. We will now move on to the breakout rooms portion of this session. Please select a breakout room of your choice to see information about our programs and to ask us questions. Remember, you can always leave one to head into another of your choice. We will now open the breakout rooms and look forward to seeing you there.